Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your ZTE Nubia Air. So, what you guys want to do first is check the volume levels in these settings. So, unlock your phone, go over into the settings, so we have the settings right here, and then go over to sound and vibration. As you guys can see, here we have everything like phone, message notification, music, videos and games, so multimedia, and an alarm. So what we want to check first is our multimedia, so music, video and game, and then the phone. So you guys can put it at your own level. You guys can either raise it or lower it. And what you guys can do next is clean the speaker grills with a soft brush. So as you guys can see, here we have the speaker grills. We can easily clean them here, and we need a soft brush to get inside of them. And once we are inside of our speaker grills, then we can easily clean them from any dust or debris that they may have. So what you guys want to do next is make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled, because when your Bluetooth is enabled, then it can reroute the audio to every other device, like your headphones, let's say your earbuds, your car, or practically anything else that is connectable with your phone. So disable the Bluetooth, and what you guys can do next is restart your phone. So hold the power button and click restart and tap again to restart the device. This way, our phone will be restarted entirely and we can refresh our system. So I'll see you guys in a second, once the phone restarts. Now, after the restart, what you guys can do is go over into the settings, and in those settings, try and see if you have the latest version of your software. So scroll all the way down. Here you will see System and Update, and click on System and Update right here. It will check for updates, and if you get network unavailable, then you can wait until your phone connects to Wi-Fi after the restart. And as you guys can see, I am connected now, so let's check it again. You can also get the notification that your network is unavailable once you have the Wi-Fi, but in our case, we have that our software is up to date. So that's how we know we run the latest version, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.